My name is Olivia and I plan on studying bioengineering next year, and one of the things that makes me super excited about science is stem cell research. Stem cells aren't like normal cells. Normal cells go through a process called differentiation, and during this process the cells start to become more specialized as they gear toward what they're going to become, like brain cells or blood cells or skin cells. But stem cells don't go through differentiation, which means scientists can manipulate them using gene therapy and turn them into virtually any kind of cell in the body. This means that stem cells are like blank canvases, which leaves scientists with the opportunity to do some pretty amazing things with them. Alzheimer's and ALS are both degenerative brain diseases that attack brain cells. These diseases cause memory loss, abnormal behavior, and can be a really painful thing for families to experience. But with stem cells, these diseases can be slowed down and even stopped. When stem cells are placed into a microenvironment, they bump into other cells and pick up signals that help tell them what to do. By being around a brain cell, a stem cell will know to turn into a brain cell. This way, the new stem cells replace the old cells being destroyed by diseases. Another amazing thing stem cells can do is grow new organs. Every year, there are way more people waiting for new organs than there are donors, and on average, 22 people die every day waiting for a transplant. A few years ago, scientists used stem cells to grow mini organs called liver buds. When they transplanted these liver buds into mice with liver failure, they found that the liver buds did many of the same functions that a normal human liver would do, like secrete specific proteins. But one of the awesome things that these liver buds did was that once they were transplanted, they hooked up to the nearest blood vessel and continued growing like a natural body part. Not only are stem cells able to grow organs, but they are also able to grow limbs. A couple scientists at the Massachusetts General Hospital have already been successful in growing limbs for rats. Now they've moved on to growing these bio limbs for primates, and they believe that if they're successful with this, they can adapt the process and start to grow bio limbs for humans. If we're able to grow our own organs and limbs from our own stem cells, then patients won't need to take immunosuppressant drugs. Immunosuppressant drugs lower the body's immune system and lower the body's ability to reject newly transplanted organs. While this is good for organ reception, it'll make patients more susceptible to diseases for the rest of their lives. But if patients receive organs and limbs that are made from their own stem cells and are familiar to their own bodies, these drugs won't be needed. Patients will be able to have a successful transplant and a strong immune system at the same time. We've all seen videos of people walking, seeing, and hearing for the first time and been amazed, and all of these advances are because of stem cell research and because of biotechnology, and that's why I'm so excited to go to school and learn more. I really want to change people's lives, and I want to be one of the forces driving biotechnology and science to make a better world.